Introducing the HM136 by HeimVision, a conveniently designed baby monitor that offers a high-quality experience via a multifunctional system. HeimVision's HM136 is a simple-to-use plug-and-play system. With 2.4 gigs of FHSS technology, the connection of the camera to the monitor can reach up to 900 feet in open areas. It contains a strong, built-in 2100 mAh rechargeable battery that can power your monitoring device for up to 5 hours. With an extra-large 5-inch screen, 720p resolution, and enhanced night vision technology, the monitor allows you to see your baby clearly and with great detail even at night. HM136 requires no app and no internet, so your baby's information stays safe and secure within your home monitoring system. You can pan the camera 355 degrees horizontally, tilt the camera 110 degrees vertically, or zoom in 2 times. Your baby is always under your watchful protection. You can also enjoy the monitor's connectivity with up to 4 separate cameras, so you can care for all of your babies around the home with 24/7 love. Oh, it's time to feed the baby! By setting a time interval between 2.5 and 5.5 hours, you can always remember when it's time to feed your baby. Your baby needs to know that you're always around. The 2-way speaker system on the HM136 allows you to remind your baby of this, even when you're doing the things that you need to do.
It's okay, sweetie. Mom is here.
When the room temperature is too low or too high, or if your baby cries, the monitor will send alarms to remind you, so you always know when you're needed most. Although you don't always have to get up in the middle of the night to comfort your baby, the HM136 features built-in lullabies that you can play as you watch your baby fall asleep again. Or you could simply provide some entertainment during playtime with reassuring sounds. HeimVision's special 940nm IR LEDs are invisible to human eyes. This allows your baby to sleep peacefully and undisturbed by the camera as you enjoy a clear, nighttime image of your precious little love.